Alright, success test drag run. Let's get this going. So since my disqualification from the drag league with my Traxxas Backslash, thought, okay, get myself back on the leaderboard. I'll change something and convert it into something that I can use to drag with. So we'll turn that on, let it do its thing. Right, plug all this in. Hope the trim's trimmed out. If not, that'll be a problem. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, that's dodge. Let's do that again. Now let's turn the car around. Right, start. Nothing coming. That was pretty much a decent full throttle pull there. Did hit that drain cover there. Right. See what it got. Ooh, see, there we go, swapped in one. Ooh, look at that, 2.74, there you go, at 50 mile an hour. There's my initial quick throw it together, beat the time of my other one, hopefully should at least put me back on the table, maybe. And there you go, there's the car I did it with. The classic Notorious. Love it.